Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda CRV tail light. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery cable to avoid shorts. Remove interior trim panels carefully to reveal the tail light access. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the mounting bolts. Gently pull the assembly free, unplug the bulb connector, and keep fasteners organized so reassembly is smooth and quick. Start by removing any trunk or hatch trim to expose the mount bolts, using a trim tool to avoid damage. Next, use a 10 mm socket to remove bolts holding the tail light, then support the assembly while loosening to prevent it from falling. Once free, pull the assembly straight out, unplug the bulb socket carefully, and set the old assembly aside before fitting the new one for testing and reinstallation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: after a messy tail light job, toss a little tree's black ice into your car to mask odors and keep things pleasant while you drive. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more recommendations, let me know. Now let's get back to the video. When handling bulbs and connectors, keep everything clean and dry to ensure reliable contacts. Test any replacement bulbs or the new assembly on the vehicle before final reinstallation so you avoid multiple removals. Inspect wiring and connectors for corrosion or damage and address problems now. Reconnect the battery after reassembly and verify brake, turn, and reverse lights work correctly before snapping trim back into place and finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.